You're watching the Alabama Weather Network.
This is the morning weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 1st of October. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather stays quiet today, but nights will be cooler over the next few days as we approach the weekend. Let's begin with the upper air look around the nation this morning. Kind of the same concept. We have this ridge in place over the eastern half of the country, a trough coming into the Pacific Northwest, and really much of the nation dry this morning. That's the radar composite across the lower 48. Showers are very hard to find. We are dry. Most spots are in the mid to upper 60s, a few spots in the low 70s. We're expecting highs again today, mid to upper 80s in most spots. It doesn't magically turn cool and crisp on the 1st of October at this latitude, but nights will be cooler over the next few days. Talk about a calm pattern. Check that out. That's the watch warning map around the nation. That's as calm as it gets. Just no issues, no severe storms expected today or tomorrow or Friday, and rain for the next 7 days. This is valid through Wednesday of next week, and just not much. We do expect some rain at times near the Gulf Coast this weekend, not a total washout, but other than that, showers will be very tiny, very isolated, and just not much improvement here. And again, we get the new drought monitor tomorrow, and we'll see how things will look, and I will promise you they will probably deteriorate in terms of the drought, as we all know. Tropical weather, we have our twins, the twin hurricanes in the Atlantic off the east coast of the United States. We've got Imelda on the left, Umberto on the right. Umberto looks very ill-defined. It's being sheared apart, gaining latitude, and it's basically in the process of becoming post-tropical. But if you take these two systems out, the tropics are very calm. That's the 7-day outlook. And you can see basically nothing expected for the next 7 days other than those two features. And again, Umberto becoming post-tropical this morning, well north of Bermuda. So it'll be off the board soon. Now, Imelda still, it looks like this thing could come right on top of Bermuda tonight with winds of 90, 100 miles per hour. Bermuda under a hurricane warning. And then after that, it becomes post-tropical tomorrow. So model fans, here we go. European OZ run, 4 o'clock today. Big ridge in the east, trough coming into the Pacific Northwest. And again, like recent days, could there be a shower? Yes, but they should be very tiny and very hard to find. That's the high-resolution HER valid this evening at 6 o'clock. Highs in most spots, mid to upper 80s today. Tomorrow, warm and dry. High-resolution HER tomorrow evening, showing nothing. Friday. Now, Friday morning, we're going to be in the 50s over the northern half of the state. That'll feel good, but highs will be in the 80s, but the humidity very low. And, of course, no chance of rain. Weather looks great for high school football Friday night. This is Saturday. Again, we'll start the day in the 50s for the northern half of the state, highs in the 80s. And, again, most of the state rain-free. Technically, the chance of rain, not zero, but showers should be almost impossible to find. Now, Sunday, again, moisture begins to increase over the southern third of the state, and there could be a few showers around the Gulf Coast. But even in South Alabama, the prospect of a big rain not looking good, highs in the 80s. And then Monday, moisture works its way northward, so there could be a few scattered showers on Monday statewide, but the key is scattered, not widespread. And the same thing on Tuesday, a chance of showers. A mixture of clouds and sunshine, highs in the 80s, and this is a week from today. This is Wednesday, October the 8th. Pretty sharp shortwave coming through eastern Canada, but down here, still a flat ridge in place. And again, sufficient moisture for scattered showers. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, partly sunny, warm days with scattered showers around. Let's keep going. 10 days out. This is Friday, October 10th. Still got that ridge in place. If you're looking for some cool air, that's just not the look right there. And again, maybe a few spotty showers, but probably not many. Rain for the next 15 days. The mean is about a half inch, the green line, between now and the middle of October, and the 16th of October. And remember, we say this a lot, but it's very true. October is the driest month of the year in terms of climatology here. And then things tend to break loose in November. That's when tornado season begins, November through May. Highs will be in the 80s for the next 10 days, but again, notice those cooler nights. We've got 50s here Friday morning and Saturday morning. There might be some low 50s over parts of the Tennessee Valley, some of the cooler spots, and then next week, lows mostly in the 60s. And the latest long-range guidance, October 8th through October 14th, that doesn't look good. For you cool weather fans, temperatures will likely stay above average with that ridge in place. So it looks like for that first really good shot of Canadian air that'll get us down in the 40s, that could be at some point after mid-October. But man, oh man, the rainbows have been incredible in recent months across the state. We had maybe enough showers to count on one hand yesterday statewide. But those little bitty showers were responsible for some really impressive rainbows. Most of these over the northeastern part of the state, about 4 or 5 o'clock yesterday, just incredible. And a good-looking sunset again. Had enough cirrus clouds around to give the sky that really nice texture, just gorgeous. All right, so today going to be over in Calhoun County, Welborn Elementary School this morning, and then I will be at Children's of Alabama for Weather Wednesday. It's the first Wednesday of the month. We do a program for their patients and families there. Friday going to be at Salter Elementary School in Talladega, and I do believe our Friday night rivals game of the week is Homewood at Gardendale. So Friday evening I will be at Gardendale High School on ABC 3340 at 4, 5, and 6 o'clock. And, of course, I'll be on ABC 3340 this evening on the news. And don't forget, you can catch my forecast on great radio stations around the state daily, including Birmingham 104.7 WZZK. Thanks for watching. Have a marvelous Wednesday, and God bless.